Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Philips with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the top click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. Now we need to enter pairing mode. So firstly, turn off your headphones by pressing hold power button at the right ear cup. We have it right here, here to USB-C port. And after you turn off them, let me click pairing device, press and hold power button again until you will see that the LED light start flashing. Here we go, as you can, okay, it's more blinking, but we enter to pairing mode. Now, tap at your headphones at the device list, and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!